Meet the new super powerful Note.
It takes the mobile experience to a whole new level.
By focusing on what matters most in today's always-on mobile world.
Gee, Samsung, you savages!
It takes the whole mobile experience to a whole new level. Of course, by focusing on what matters the most, everybody! Yeah, well, haven't done an unboxing on this channel for quite some time. Actually, I think the last unboxing on this channel was like the PC. But got a new item in today. Thought you guys would be quite interested. Before I even get into this, I just want to start off by saying I'm not a rich person. I do work very hard for the things I get, so I'm not trying to gloat. This is not something I'd get in every day. As you know, I don't do any unboxing videos, but I know that unboxing videos are interesting for all of you. Without further ado, let's get into the unboxing stage of this video, and please do leave your comments below on what your opinions are on this entire video, because I'd hate to just bring out a video that you guys just totally hate. Oh my goodness, everybody, there it is, right there in front of you. Of course I have to unbox everything with you guys that I get that's seemingly fantastic in my life. Here it is, people. It looks so dark and mysterious. Anyway, here's the specs on the back. That, as you can see, is 128 gigabytes. It's a 128 gigabyte specimen here, of course, and you can clearly see what it is. There's all the specs. I mean, you can pause it. I don't know much about iris scanner. I recognize that. It can scan your iris. Wow, fascinating. It's got a touch pen with a remote control. Of course, 128 gigabytes, we all know that. Stereo speakers, earphones. Oh, we got earphones included. 4000 mAh battery. Well, that's a very powerful battery. That's fantastic. Wireless charging, so it has wireless charging and water and dust resistant. That's good. Yeah, these things here I don't really understand, but hey, no, don't worry. We'll get into it anyway. We're just gonna unbox it right here and here. So I'm gonna pull the main piece off. Oh, good gosh, there it is. Okay, I'm gonna leave that over there so you guys can still see it. It's right there, don't worry, it's not going anywhere. This is the box part. I've actually already cut that piece with my keys. I cut it earlier when I was like, oh hey, I just want to unbox it right now. I just wanted to right in front of when I brought it, like I wanted to unbox the Galaxy Note 9 straight away. But of course, I was like opening it, I was like, gotta open it now, and I was like, oh no, I need to shut it. I need to wait for everyone like you to watch me open and unbox it. But here it is. Oh, the grand opening, everyone. Oh my gosh, look at, oh my gosh, it looks so amazing. Oh, look at, so I'm not trying to get too involved with this. We're gonna pull this piece out here. Hey, if you like my unboxing, do let me know, as I say in the channel comments. We need to know about the unboxing. Anyway, this piece here, so this piece is something, and here it is, everybody. Here's the main device itself, the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. It's got the dual camera, the dual aperture, and what, the S Pen, yes, 4000 stereo speaker. Well, you know what that, just stay there for a minute, would you? And here is the case that came in front. Let's see what's inside here. Let's have a look. Let's have a little look. Oh my gosh. Here, what is this? Is this like a single case? What happened? What happened, Samsung? There was like a flip case. I swear to gosh, online there was like a flip case for this thing. And it was really cool. You could like flip it over and it went like that, and you're like, oh flip, there it is. But anyway, what's in this thing? Let's see what's in the bag. The baggie. We all know about baggies. We need to know what's in the baggie. That's the point. We've got a quick start guide, and of course, what's this? How to transfer content to your new Galaxy phone. Warranty card. Don't worry about that stuff, boys. We don't need to worry. What else is in here? Nothing? Oh, okay then. What's this thing? Oh, I guess that... Oh, hang on a minute. I think it's for your SIM. Yes, it is. And there's your little SIM needle thing. So you take this little needle and you shove it in, and you know, it does all the rest. Anyway, better not lose that one. Let's continue on with the actual device itself. There's a correct way to pull this out. A lot of people flip them over and they go, hey, Bob's your uncle, but no, sorry, actually Samsung, I was going to say Gangung, Samsung has included a little tab here to actually pull it out correctly. Thank you, everybody. So there's the actual device. I'm going to place the device right there because the device is extremely important. Oh, it says Samsung right there. Isn't that fascinating, people? Chuck that away. And here we have, it looks like the charger. This connection piece. Now this connection piece, this is the Samsung USB-C to what looks like, what's that? USB type A, I believe. So USB type C is like the new Samsung USB. It's sort of like a micro USB, but yeah, you can plug that in and transfer data with standard USB. Charging point for the wall socket, and there's the charging point there. You get that with it. Of course you need your charger, people. Put that up there. I'm gonna open this part here. Oh look, we got all sorts of things in here. There's also, I'll just let you guys see that, of course. There's all sorts of parts in here. Oh, we need our parts for our phone. This one is a grand little charger, of course. We need our charging piece. Of course, like every other phone. Yay, everybody! And of course, it's got the USB-C. Well, it's so fascinating how I know so much about this product, isn't it? Great stuff. Also included with the Galaxy Note 9, we have a headset included by Samsung. A very nice headset, by the way. We can use this headset for multi-purpose gaming. I mean, I will use that headset all day, whether it's on the Samsung Note or not. What's this little piece? They've included, oh I see, they've got little earphone adjustments in there, you know, like if you have a different ear size, you put it on the earbud itself, so you grab your earphones, you pull that little piece off, and you put your little earbud onto that, and obviously it will fit in your ear better. Last but not least, I'm not too sure what that piece is. I'm gonna guess that it's for taking the shell off it. You know, it's like it has something to do with the Note, I know that. I'm not too sure what it is, but I think it's just to pull the shell off it, or maybe to do repairs, whatnot. I have to look at this more in depth online. I'm not too sure what that piece is for, but I'm gonna guess it's gonna have something to do with the device itself. That's why it's in the box, everybody. What the frick is this piece? What is it doing on my phone? Let's turn this beast on and let's see. What do we have? I will admit that I have actually charged this phone up before doing this recording, very secretly, to 100%. On the side, let's see while it's loading up what we have on the side. I believe that's Bixby. I had a very old Samsung phone and it didn't have Bixby, but Bixby is kind of like Siri of iPhone. You know, you kind of hold that button down. Oh, Bixby, what's up, Bixby? What are you doing, Bixby?
Please save me from this animal.
And of course, you got the volume slider here. A volume slider is extremely important in all phones. And of course, on the other side, we have the power button. What's on the top? Absolutely nothing, apparently, except the. I need to put my SIM card in there. That's a SIM card holder. What's on the bottom? My gosh, everybody! Oh, I'm loving this. It's the original AUX cord. Unfortunately, iPhone got rid of the AUX cord with most of their iPhones. I'm not too sure why iPhone got rid of the AUX. I guess they were trying to try something different, like the lightning jacks they have today.
The screen to enable accessibility mode. Continue holding the screen with 2 fingers until you hear a beep.
Oh really? Oh good gosh, it's talking to me. So as I was saying on the back, there is original aux cord. Thank goodness for that. iPhone scrapped that back in the day, but I can still jam music in the car because we still have the original AUX cord. Thank goodness, Samsung, you are a legend. I told you Samsung was going to overtake iPhone one day. Oh, and this is the main feature of the Samsung Note. Gotta click on that before we even continue. Look at this, people. Oh my gosh, it's a freaking pen! Oh, it's not gold though. They were all, what happened, Samsung? But the feature of the pen is, it's like a normal standard pen actually. I will click on this all day, everybody. There is a button here on the pen, as you can see, and this button allows you to like take selfies, Bluetooth, etc. So I just click that and I go, oh, I want to take a selfie. Maybe I should be posting more on Instagram now they have the Note. Yeah, obviously if you have the Note 9 and yeah, you want to get the Galaxy skin, it is original to download Fortnite. from the Samsung apps downloader, and you will get the Fortnite skin after playing 3 games on this device. Not that I got this device to get the Galaxy skin or anything else. What do you think I am? A freaking wanting to spend $1,400 on a bloody Fortnite skin? No, fuck that. I just thought it'd be an interesting unboxing for all of you, of course, having the Note 9. It was actually not chosen for Fortnite. Believe it or not, thank you very much. It was chosen because of my current job, and I thought the Note 9 would do me well on that aspect. I was contemplating an iPhone for quite some time, and no, iPhone just didn't do it for me. The Note 9 did it. Yes, I'm aware that the S10 is coming out in a month's time. Leave me alone. Again, not someone that wants to flash my equipment around, as I'm doing right now. I'm, you know, flashing my equipment around. Thank you everybody for tuning in. This is your boy Omega here, one of the most greatest YouTubers on earth, and of course one that has probably bet Unbox Therapy with their own content. Do you know, honestly, the tree has been extremely moderate tonight. I have taken down all the fantastic lights here, and I have justified myself with the tree, so I think the tree has respected me tonight. Whoa, hang on a minute, I just saw it move. I just saw it move. Hang on a minute. It's gonna... Woo! Oh my gosh! How terrifying! It's lost the head!